Hello and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nora G, and today we will be doing a vintage thrift haul 2020, specifically thrift to glam. So we will be transforming these chairs to glam throne chairs, which you can actually use in your homes or you could use for an event. In this case, we will be using this for an event, and let's go. If you noticed, I actually went ahead to use acrylic black paint over the chairs prior to spray painting it gold. That is because I have noticed that gold shines better over black or white. So keep this in mind. Once it was dried, I actually went ahead and used clear glaze over these chairs as well as Mod Podge to protect it for longer use. When the chairs were drying up, I went ahead to purchase my fabric. I will be using a faux leather fabric in white. Like I had said earlier, I want this to have a royal kind of look for an event. So now it's time for our upholstery. This is the thrift flip home decor on the budget. I really loved how the chairs looked so vintage and would have really loved to keep them as they are. However, they wouldn't fit into the overall look of things. And moreover, the plan is to use this for events going forward. And so, ta-da! Let's get going. Meanwhile, if you're yet to watch my fall glam home decor DIY video series, you can click on the link above right now and watch the videos once you're done watching this. Thank you. Now back to our trip to glam chair transformation. They say desperate times call for desperate measures, and this was definitely one of them. I had ordered some queen and king chairs that I needed to use for events going forward. However, those chairs did not arrive. So I decided to go scouting and was able to find these, and now we're transforming them to use for future events. And guess what? I didn't have to spend a fortune for this. King and queen throne chairs go for like $1,500 a pair, and if you're looking to rent them, they cost about $250 to $350 for a pair. So yes, this was definitely bingo for me because I didn't even have to spend up to that much to actually get this transformed into this. Now let's put this to good use, shall we?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.